wind warning in effect from 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. Central Standard Time Sunday to 1 a.m. or midnight Central Standard Time Monday. Hazardous weather. Sustained west wind of 35 to 40 miles per hour, with frequent gusts of 50 miles per hour are expected to start early Sunday morning and persist into the evening hours of Sunday. Periods of sustained wind to 45 miles per hour and wind gusts to 60 miles per hour are also expected, especially during the day Sunday. Impacts. Downed tree limbs and small trees could block roads and lead to power outages as well as cause minor structural damage. Driving in high